Hey guys, so this is a blue shrink wrap that we used to do this style. It's 7 to 8 mil thick. It's blue, so when the sun heats it, it actually melts the snow off. We put support poles inside the boat, and we put our protective 3M material around so that as the wind flaps, this doesn't chafe the boat. So this will help keep the snow load off of the boat, stop it from sinking in from all the weight of the snow, so that the snow load is shed off of the boat and it doesn't harm the boat later. Alternatively to the blue shrink wrap, we have a new product called, well, it's not new, but it's called Transhield. It's actually an 18 mil thick felt lined plastic that has vents that we drape over top of your boat. We heat it up, much like this stuff here. We heat it up, it shrinks to your boat. We have the poles in there, all the supports in there. We actually tie it down to your trailer also. It's got one big long drawstring in it, so it sucks up tight. But the beautiful thing is it's reusable. Transhield says it's reusable up to 2 years. We feel if you baby it and take care of it and unwrap it the same way every time, same way that we put it on, you should hopefully get longer than 2 years. It's excellent because it is felt lined. We feel that on the very, very, very bottom where the plastic is, before the felt lining starts on the inside, you might have to put the 3N wrap around it just to protect that leading edge finish of your boat. But the Transhield product is awesome. It fits nice. It's a little more expensive. It takes us just as long to install as this, and it's 18 mil thick, not just 7 or 8 mil thick. So it's very, very good. You use no other boat covers underneath this. This is just all open so it can breathe. There's no mildew or mold buildup. If there is, we have those desiccants inside that I was showing you before that'll suck up any humidity so mold doesn't grow inside your boat. Each boat owner, we ask them to take all their toys out of their boat to reduce the humidity that is in the boat.